let's demonstrate a shoulder examination. Now, this is going to be broken down into a few parts. First off, visual inspection, then active ranges of motion, and finally some orthopedic testing. So to start out, you're going to observe your patient. So we're going to have Ritzy just face me here for a sec. So we're looking at the overall muscle mass. We're checking bony landmarks and making sure there's no asymmetries or abnormalities. You're going to look at the patient head on and then have them turn to the side so you can face this way, Ritzy. And once again, you're going to do a visual inspection and then have you face away from me. And I'm just going to move your hair to the side if that's okay. And then once again, you're looking for symmetry, you're palpating bony landmarks and making sure everything looks nice and balanced. Okay. And now I'll have you face me. And so the next part would be active ranges of motion. So just copy my movements. So first off, you're going to bring both arms straight up as far as you can. So this is known as flexion. Okay, good. And now bring them back down slowly. Good. Okay, next one is going from the side straight up as far as you can. So this is abduction. Okay, good. And further up as far as you can. Nice. Okay, and then bring them back down nice and slow. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to do external rotation. So you're going to bend your elbows about 90 degrees, palms up, and I want you to turn out as far as you can. Okay, good. Nice, and then come back in slowly. Perfect. And now on this one, I want you to face this way for a sec. Actually, maybe face towards the chair so the camera can see it better. So you're going to bring your arms to your side, and I want you to bring both arms as far back, keeping them straight as you can. So now, so bring them back, and you're going to bring, I'll show you. You bring them back this way. So that's what you're going to do, okay? So once again, from your side, so bring them back, and this is known as extension. Good, okay, and then bring them back to your side. And now for this next one, I'll have you face away here for a sec towards the cabinet so the camera can see this. I'm going to come over here so you can see what I'm doing, Ritzy. I want you to bring your arm as far back as you can like that with your thumb up, okay? And we're going to do both sides so we can compare the two. Okay, so so pick an arm and then bring it back into that position. There you go. Okay, good. Nice. So this would be internal rotation. Okay. Great. Okay, and then bring them back down. Okay, and then you can face me as well. So one thing I should mention though is before you start with the shoulder examination, you want to make sure that you've ruled out the cervical spine because certain pathologies can present as shoulder pain. So prior to starting with the shoulder examination, make sure you conduct a thorough cervical examination to make sure there's no cervical pathology.